Okay, so we're on top of a tiki hut right now. This is how it looks at the very ridge. This is an RV resort located in Port St. Lucie. We're almost at the finish, at the top of the tiki hut, the ridge. We started about 8 a.m. Today is the day before 4th of July. We wanted to finish this project so the owners could enjoy their tiki hut by the 4th of July. We're almost there. It's about 105 degrees right now. And we're still going strong. Check out the nice waterfall in the back of the tiki hut. Contact us for all your tiki hut projects, new construction, repairs, rethatching. We do them all. Get some shade in your backyard for the summer. We take care of all the permits. Looking forward to hear from you.